Where are you gonna go, Damien? I gotta cook dinner. Oh, this is great. This is great. You guys have to do this. Oh, come on, Damien. Be a sport. Keep walking. Oh. There, now you've toppled her over. There you go. Oh, have we had enough? Here you go. I think we've had enough. It's food time.